All right, this is a simple and fast review of the Force1 UFO 4000 mini drone for kids. A fantastic gift for the holidays. This comes in a 3000 to 4000, I think another 5000 even. And the great thing is it's light up, it's got a nice remote control, and it can fly either day or night, so it should be pretty fun for any time of day. And depending on the age grade or age group, should be fun for most children. There's 3 different speeds. So we'll demonstrate this. We'll get it charged up. We'll open it up, charge it up, demonstrate it, and talk about how it works. So let's get into it. All right. So I do want to point out this is made really for 14 and up ages. So do what you must with your kids. Or you adults have some fun. Gives you a simple, quick start guide on how to get things moving. As you can see, you got your remote control, you've got your actual device, your full user manual for the drone. Got some spare parts in here, battery charger, stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this battery cooking to start with, just so that I can move this process along. So let's do that. All right, so first and foremost, what I want to cover is when you get this thing charging, the USB charger, the light will be off when it is charging and turn red when fully charged. So just be aware of that. And then once it's fully charged, we're going to put it into the actual drone itself. But also what you're going to need, and there is, of course, which is nice, a mini screwdriver. I'm just going to open this up and show you what you need. So you'll need 4 AAA batteries for operating the remote control. So just make sure that you have 4 ready if you want to get going immediately. Now underneath the drone, what you'll do is you'll find the actual original battery. So that one is a backup battery. So you do get 2 batteries. And I doubt this one has too much charge, but it might have enough just to kind of show a little bit of the next steps. So what you're going to want to do is just connect this bad boy together. And then you're going to want to make sure you get her all plugged in and down, and then connect. And you'll see your power button on the right hand side. So to turn the drone on, you're going to want to put it on a flat surface, similar to this, but I'm probably going to spread it out into to my floor here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn it on, and you'll see the lights go on. But what I also need to do is make sure I get some batteries into this thing before we go a step further. So let me do that. All right, so once you have your batteries in, you'll obviously want to put the case on. But what I wanted to show you is to turn your power on this. You're just going to hold this battery button or the power button down, and it should give you 2 clicks to turn it off. Just hold it once and turn it off. All right, so once you've turned the battery on or power on this, and you've gotten this going, the next thing you want to do is push the left stick all the way up and then all the way down. And you should see the lights go off like so. And then really what you're going to do then is go down to the left on both of these. And you'll see the lights doing that, and that means that it's been successfully paired. And so our final thing is the start landing button, which should be on this left-hand side, right here. So if we were going down, again, last time we were going down to those positions to pair it. And then again, what we're going to do is we're going to hopefully turn that on, and then it is ready to fly once it starts doing that. So I'm going to switch views so you can see a different angle. All right, so I'm going to give you a little idea of what's going on here. All right, so
All right, so here we go. So it takes a second to get used to, as you can tell, but once you figure it out, you should be able to get a little bit better. And again, this is my kind of first flight, so you'll have to forgive me. Doing the best I can, but the nice thing is that it has bumpers, and sometimes you'll destroy it. So when it gets knocked over, it'll turn on like that. Once you flip it back over, should be good to go. We'll just press that start button again. Make sure it's paired. Hit your start button and then it's loading. All right, well, I think this thing is pretty awesome. Obviously, what you want to do is make sure that you're doing your best as far as coptering this thing and piloting this thing. First flight's probably not going to be your best flight, but you will get used to the controls. And this thing, aside from just being a little bit loud, I love the compact capabilities of it. I love the bumpers around it. I like the easy to pair and easy to kind of reset when you crash. I've used a lot of different drones, and sometimes it's not as easy to get it right back up in the air after. So very beginner friendly. And again, read the instructions. That way you can see the stunt capabilities and everything like that. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.